Strategy Management Series. Video number 45, Strategy Formulation, Step 2, Strategic Intent. Welcome back to the Ready MBA series on strategy management. In our previous videos, we introduced the 8-step framework used in strategy formulation. We also discussed the importance of Step 1, mission, vision and values for the strategy formulation process. In today's video, we will discuss the second step of the strategy formulation process, strategic intent. We'll explore its significance, the main objective of this step, and how organizations can effectively orchestrate it. Strategic intent plays a crucial role in guiding an organization's strategy. It provides a long-term vision and purpose that goes beyond short-term goals. Let's break down why strategic intent is so important. The time horizons considered when developing strategic intent for a company vary depending on the industry, company size, and complexity. In regulated industries such as energy, oil and gas, which have long investment cycles, time horizons can extend up to 10 or even 20 years. On the other hand, industries like fast consumer goods, hospitality, and retail may have shorter horizons ranging from 3 to 5 years. In dynamic or complex industries characterized by rapid change, such as technology, the time span for strategic intent can be as short as 1 year. Smaller and lean companies generally operate with shorter time horizons compared to larger, well-established players. The main objective of strategic intent is to establish a compelling future state that an organization aspires to achieve. It acts as a North Star, guiding decision-making, resource allocation, and goal setting throughout the organization. To illustrate this, let's imagine you're the CEO of a company. You have a vision for where you want your organization to be in the future and recognize the need to set strategic goals to achieve that vision. Strategic intent helps align the organization's efforts, resources, and decisions towards a common objective. It provides a sense of direction, focus, and purpose that inspires and motivates employees. In the design and entrepreneurial schools of strategy, this is the moment when the CEO or owner, founder, senior management, and other important stakeholders come together to provide guidance and perspective on the desired strategic direction for the company. These key individuals draw from their experience, insights, and vision of the future to shape the strategic intent. Discussions typically involve a selected number of participants, such as senior leaders in the organization, and may include external consultants and advisors. As learned from the Power School of Strategy, effective stakeholder mapping is crucial not only for the success of this exercise, but also for future buy-in within the organization. To drive internal alignment and consistency, organizations create forums for debates and discussions, facilitated by internal or external consultants, or the strategic planning department. These forums leverage competitive intelligence, macro environment and company performance reports, and specially crafted analysis. During these discussions, strategic issues are identified, along with a future vision for the organization. The strategic issues encompass the challenges and opportunities that demand attention and action from the organization, such as emerging market trends, technological advancements, or changes in consumer behavior. However, it's important to note that these discussions focus on a higher level and do not delve into specific action plans. As discussed previously, the company vision represents the future state that top management envisions for the organization. It encapsulates their aspirations, values, and desired impact. The strategic intent is a combination of the strategic issues and the vision for the company. Once the proposed strategic intent is defined, it becomes crucial to validate it against external and internal trends, as well as the competitive reality. This validation process takes place in subsequent steps of strategy formulation and serves to ensure that the strategic intent aligns with the anticipated marketplace conditions and is feasible to implement. The findings from external and internal analyses, conducted in the subsequent steps, provide valuable insights that validate and refine the strategic intent. This ensures that no major issues or opportunities are overlooked and enhances the strategic intent's feasibility and effectiveness. Now, let's address potential pitfalls and how organizations can overcome them during this process. Pitfall number 1: insufficient stakeholder involvement. To mitigate this, organizations should identify and involve relevant stakeholders who can contribute valuable insights. This fosters a sense of ownership and creates a more robust strategic intent. Pitfall number 2: disconnected from reality. To prevent this, senior leaders must feel empowered and comfortable challenging each other during brainstorming, discussions, and meetings. Assigning a devil's advocate can help avoid groupthinking and encourage critical evaluation of proposals. Another valuable resource is to leverage practices from the Learning School of Strategy. One of those best practices is to tap into organizational knowledge by inviting functional managers to present on specific topics to the senior audience. This helps anchor the discussions on the reality of the organization and on its constraints. Additionally, compiling lessons learned from previous experiences, both internal and external to the company, can contribute to more solid and insightful discussions. Reviewing the most recent company performance reports and discussing key root causes for the results help ground senior stakeholders' vision to the company's reality and challenges being faced. In conclusion, the strategic intent step is a crucial element in the strategy formulation process. By involving key stakeholders, including senior management, consultants or advisors, organizations can shape a compelling vision and strategic direction. Validating the strategic intent against external and internal trends ensures its alignment with the marketplace and enhances its feasibility. Mitigating potential pitfalls, such as lack of stakeholder involvement, and disconnection from reality is essential for a successful strategic intent. This concludes our discussion on strategic intent. Thank you for joining us today. In our next video, we will review the concepts discussed here into action through the example of a fictional company defining its strategic intent for strategy formulation. See you later.